Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for April 5th to the 17th, April 5th to the 9th. We have blocking that continues across the northern high latitudes, and we have a trough here west of the Aleutians. And we have above normal heights here, and we still have our upper low over Hudson Bay with a broad cyclonic flow across much of this area, northern tiers. And this will allow for frequent invasions of cold polar air from the northern plains to the northeast. During this period, expect cold air and snow across the northern U.S. Some locations will experience anomalies near 15 degrees below average. The lower Mississippi Valley to the Tennessee Valley will experience heavy rain and possible thunderstorms, and a wintry mix is forecast from the Tennessee Valley into the northern mid-Atlantic states, so we're not quite over with the snow yet. The west will experience above average temperatures with anomalies near 15 degrees above normal, and the northern Intermountain West can expect areas of rain and snow, and most of the heaviest precipitation will occur in the mountains. April 8th to 12th. Here we are at the 8th. We have, it keeps jumping. Here we are at the 8th. Let's try this again. And we still have our blocking here across the high latitudes. Here. And we have generally below normal heights across Canada and the northern U.S. And we have above normal heights here in the portions of the west. Now, this is GFS. Now I'm going to go to the 12th, and we see this ridge starts to expand a little slowly eastward across southern plains, southern Rockies. And then we look at the rest of the models. This is the European ensembles, brings generally above normal heights across southern U.S., below normal heights here. And we look at the rest of the models. They're in general a good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, with anomalies near 8 degrees above normal, and we have below normal temperatures forecast across much of this area here, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast here and east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence is 40%. April 13th to the 17th. Still have this broad upper low that kind of like migrates to eastern Canada. And we still have below normal heights here. The positive height anomalies here are weakened. This is a GFS. And you can see most of the models, or all the models, weaken that block. So that might be a change, indication of a change that may be coming our way to allow warmer weather. But until then, we still have this trough here over the northeast, or over the eastern U.S. And we go to the 17th. This is the GEFS. Almost a zone of flow here. The pattern's going to transition slowly to a zone of flow. And we have weak negative height anomalies here, and a little weaker positive anomalies across the southern U.S. Now, we look at the rest of the models. This is the NAEFS showing the same thing. So I think the anomalies won't be as extreme. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west again. Forecast anomalies are to be near 8 degrees or 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast again for the plains and into the east. And forecast anomalies to about 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.